Algeria is Arabic language. Yes, I give you a gift, I swear. No need sana star. If you stay my channel, it's a big thank you. That's a simple gift for me. I appreciate that. I appreciate much. I will back to Canada soon. Oh, you work in Canada. You're from Algeria, but you're working in Canada. Yes, Algeria is the largest Arab country. Oh, I searched later in Google. How 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 many hours traveled from UAE to Algeria? Mm. They have also made in your country. Your country is rich too. They have OFW there. Very, very high mountain. The same to my province. My province is they have also high mountains. Did you see my fast videos I upload there? They have landslide, they have flood. That's my real place. We have 4 seasons: summer, fall, spring. Wow! Summer, fall, spring, and winter. Really? In the Philippines is winter and summer, but not really cold. Wow! Hopefully I can visit that Algeria place. What his name under that purple color? What his name? Bye sana star. I need to end my live. I feel sleepy. Thank you so much for staying. I didn't hear well. Repeat what you said. Okay. I said that I want to end my live. I want to say good night. It's already what time? 11:45 p.m. here. What about to your time? What time is it? Thank you so much for staying. I appreciate that you are here. Continue support my channel. I'm glad that I know you. Then thank you for your kindness. Thank you so much. So maybe I leave for my picture, then I sleep. So I can continue few minutes.